How to upload JSON file in n8n. So in this video, I will show you how you can upload your JSON file in your n8n workflow. First thing you need to do is to head over to n8n.io. Then you can get started for free or then sign in if you already have an account. Since I already have an account, let me head over and sign in, and this is what it looked like. This is the workflow that I have just started. So if you want to upload the file, click onto these three dots that you can see right here. Click onto this import from file, and then from in there this will open this. Let's head over right here to our downloads, and let's click onto this JSON file right here and click on open. You also have another option, which is to import from URL. So just choose in here which one you want to actually use, and then after that the JSON file should be able to be added right here into your n8n workflow. So that's how you upload JSON file in n8n. Hope we help. And if this actually helped, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.